How to make and upload a custom thumbnail to your YouTube channel using your iPhone. In this video, we're going to show you how to use your iPhone to make a custom thumbnail using a tool called canva.com and then upload it to your YouTube channel using the YouTube Studio app, which is also free from the App Store. So let's not waste another second, jump onto our iPhone and start creating a custom thumbnail for your YouTube channel. Let's jump onto our iPhone and we're going to go into an app called Canva. You can download this app on the App Store. So it's a nice free tool that you can use. We're going to go into Canva and search for YouTube thumbnail, and we're going to use one of the custom thumbnails templates that Canva has for us. So you can choose between the different templates and which one is going to suit your video. Once you've found a template that you like, you can click on it and then you can edit and customize this thumbnail so it looks unique for your video. So we're going to change the text and we're going to do it to entice the person to want to click on our video and want to watch it. So for this video, we're teaching you how to make and upload a custom thumbnail to your YouTube video using your iPhone. So we're going to have a lot of text in our thumbnail, and that's why we've chosen this nice big bold text with a nice big background. So make sure you're using the keywords that are going to entice people to click and want to watch your video. Once we've finished updating our text, we're going to change the background color or the background for this text. So we're going to select it and go to the bottom and we're going to choose a black color because the background that we're going to use for our thumbnail is going to be quite a bright color. So we want the black so that the text can stand out from the background. So we're going to change all of these backgrounds to black. And then what we're going to do is we're going to upload an image that we're going to use as our background. So head to the plus on the bottom right, select camera roll, and we've got a photo here that we're going to use as our background. So it's a nice bright yellow and orange gradient, and it's got a bit of texture on it. So up to you as to what color you like using for a background. We like this bright color so that our thumbnail will stand out in the crowd of videos on YouTube. So then we're going to send the background to the back so the text comes up, and then we're going to add a picture of an iPhone so that people know that we are making this video for iPhone users and it's specifically tailored for you iPhone users. Let's make the image a bit smaller first because we want the text to be big and readable. Remember, most people are watching YouTube videos on their phone, so we want them to be able to read the text even when the thumbnail is really small. Once you're happy with the size of that, let's resize the background here and resize the background for our iPhone text. And then what we're going to do is add in a little YouTube play button. So we're going to head down to the bottom right hand side, click on the plus button on the bottom right, and we're going to choose illustrations. Then we're going to choose a play button that we like, click on it, and it's going to pop onto your thumbnail. We're going to resize that and pop it in the corner. This just shows people that it is a YouTube video made for YouTube creators. So once you're happy, click on the top right hand side, which is the download button, and download your custom thumbnail to your phone. Once you've finished saving your custom thumbnail, we're going to head into YouTube Studio. So this is the creators app on your phone. If you don't have this, you can download the YouTube Studio app from your App Store and head into your YouTube Studio app, and we're going to head into our videos. So click on the top left and click on the videos tab. It's going to give a list of your videos on your channel. Find the video that you want to upload your thumbnail to. We're going to update one of our thumbnails here on how to upload a video to YouTube from your iPhone. So click on the top right, the pencil, and this is going to let you edit your video. Click on change thumbnail, and on the bottom left we're going to click on change. Then you can upload your custom thumbnail that we've just downloaded onto our phone. Click on that and then select it and click on the top right hand side and save your changes. Once you've saved your changes, your new custom thumbnail will be up and on your new video. Congratulations, you've now learned how to make a custom thumbnail and upload it to your YouTube channel from your iPhone. Make sure you hit that like button if this video helped you create a custom thumbnail using your iPhone for your YouTube channel. If you want to download our free cheat sheet on how to get more views on your YouTube videos, I'll leave a link for you in the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We create new videos every single week, helping you start and grow on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.